Hey, sexy babes. Doobie time. Movie time, doobie time. No. Not for you. Not for you. Do you hear the neighbor's TV? I sure do. I love this new outfit. The North Pole. That's where Santa Claus lives. I love these leggings, but there's a problem, which I did not notice in the store. There's a problem. Do you see the problem? Can you see the problem? Do you see? It's not lined up, bro. Like, the design, it's not matching, like, because there's a seam right here, and it's uneven. They're not matching up, bro. The heck? Oh. Like, I don't think it's supposed to be that way. I think it must be, I don't know, but they're just selling them like that. Like, it wasn't like some clearance because there was a problem with them or something, you know? Are they supposed to look like that? Like, or I don't think so, right? It looks funny. It looks funny to me. My joint, she's running. She's running away. She runned away, she runned away, she runned away. I love to love, and my baby just loves to dance. Here, how about this? Why don't you come a little closer? Let's see a little better. That lamp is so loud. I'm gonna watch a movie. It doesn't take much to excite me, eh? I get happy over, I don't know, lots of things. You gotta find happiness, find joy in everything, you know what I mean? Like, find reasons to be happy. Happiness is a choice. It is. It's a choice that you have to make every single day. And I choose happiness. I'm gonna watch Carry On. It's a new movie, but it's a thriller. Like, I can't handle drama, you know, or something like. I don't know, but I can't handle much scary stuff. Like, somebody knocks on my door and I'm freaking out. There's a strange fan-like noise, and I'm like, oh God, what's happening? But it's about, I don't know, something happens on Christmas Eve about a passenger and a package, or I forget. Jason Bateman, he's a good actor. Have you guys seen that movie? Carry On? Did you see it yet? As if I'm gonna watch a thriller at 11 o'clock at night. Bruh. I just took my sedatives, so I take methylprazine. I'm on 2 medications that start with meth. But that one's methylprazine, or it's also called Nazanan. It's like an anxiety pill, sleeping pill, pain pill. It's for any of those things. I take it for anxiety, but it doesn't really seem to help. And I take quetiapine or whatever, Seroquel. That's my main sedative. And then the methylprazine is just supposed to kind of maybe calms my anxiety a bit and helps me sleep a bit. But the problem is, with all these medications and the other meth thing, the thing that I drink, they all make you tired, and I do not want to wake up. Oh my God, I never want to wake up. It's so hard to wake up. What are you gonna do? Like, not sleep at all? I will be awake for days and days and days and days. My mind will not shut off and let me sleep. It's like a nightmare, and that's really bad for your health. Not sleeping. You need to get enough sleep. So I have to take something or I just wouldn't sleep. Weed is not enough. Even when I drink, I have to take them. I mean, I guess if I drank enough, but I don't ever drink that much because nobody wants to drink with me. So it's just like, I'm not going to get that shit faced all by myself, you know? I'd like to maybe sometimes, but I get bored after so many drinks if I'm by myself. I'm just like, I don't know how to cough with my mouth wide open. That doesn't seem the right way to cough. Like, that seems like it's way wrong. Do you believe in magic? Where's my lighter? I used matches. My lighter's over there and the tripod's in the way. Fuck it, just smoke it the way it is. But my OCD mind is like, no, look. I want to burn it off. Wait. God, I need a new chair. It's so freaking noisy. I want a pink chair. Oh my god, we seen pink chairs today. Like desk chair, computer chairs. And it was like, I think it was Minnie Mouse because it was like the big round head with like the two little round circles, like the ears, I guess. And I'm pretty sure I couldn't see. There was something covering it. But I'm pretty sure it said Minnie Mouse or something. Oh my god. Wow. But being a smoker and stuff, that's not a good idea. Something like that. Because it was like all furry or I can't remember, but it was like a, you know, like a cloth material, not like this is like hard plastic and probably fake leather or something, you know. Did you see my other video? No, it's not up yet, but well, probably might maybe be up before this one. We'll see how many of these I got, like headbands and like ear type things, and you know. And the chocolates I got. Still thinking I maybe didn't get enough. Wow. Oh yeah. And then this would be so cute. Wait. Just wait. Wait. Look. Imagine if it was just a bow. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I want one. I need one. That's just a bow. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Isn't it though? If it was just a bow? Like just one that was a bow? Oh, that would be so pretty. I need to wear a bow in my hair. Oh, I think that would be pretty. It's out. Oh no, I was still smoking a little bit. Movie time. Ooh. Alright, love you guys. Hope you guys like this video. Until next time.